Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know that my new book, Discovering You, this is the cover of the book, has just been released today. I'm super excited about this book, and you may not even know that I write books, but if you've been with me on my journey from pressing reset to habitual strength to becoming bulletproof project, and then there's a few in between there, this is really for me the final chapter. So I've gone from how your body's designed to heal and learning how the blueprint of the body was designed to give you everything you need, to learning that there's so much more to your body. We are body, mind, emotion, spirit. We're everything together, and they all dance together. And anyway, this book, Discovering You, is about more than the physical. It's about returning to the you that you were created to be. Helps you move better, helps you think better, helps you feel better, helps you really become the best you that you are, that's in you. Anyway, that might be confusing. The point is, your body is amazing, but more than that, you are amazing, and you were created to do amazing things. The gist of the book is how to find and uncover who you really are. Again, there's movement in it, but there's so much more than that. And it's all applicable. You can test it all out and see how it affects you. Everything in here is usable and hopefully very useful to finding you, discovering you. Anyway, thanks so much, guys, for all your support, for always talking, commenting on the videos, for watching the videos. I hope you find all my information useful. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.